permanent maxillary premolar are 4 in number, and it is posterior to the canine and anterior to the molar. So we called it premolar, and always the first premolar larger than the second premolar, and the canine is longer than the first premolar. Also, we call it bicuspid because it has two main cusps, and there is no premolar in deciduous teeth because the posterior the deciduous posterior teeth just include molars. There is no premolars. From the labial aspect, maxillary first premolar resemble or similar in shape with the canine, but it is shorter than the canine, and it is longer than the second premolar. The function of the canine is to tear the food, while the function of the premolar and molar is to grind the food. And the position is centered to the arch. Its position centered to the arch. It is always the facio-lingual dimension of all posterior teeth more than the mesiodistal dimension. Not like the anterior teeth. The mesiodistal dimension is more than the facio-lingual dimension. And always the cervical line less in convexity than the anterior teeth, and it has a broader contact area than the anterior teeth, and the contact area of all posterior teeth nearly at the same level. هذا هو عندنا بالنسبة maxillary first premolar, buccal, lingual, mesial, distal, occlusal aspects, and it is also always it is about 80% has two roots. هنا the principal features of the maxillary first premolars always has two cusps, two main cusps, buccal and lingual, two roots, and always the mesial slope is longer than the distal slope.